Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of anime eyes. If you're an anime enthusiast like me, you know how captivating and expressive anime eyes can be in art. Drawing anime eyes is a crucial skill for any aspiring anime artist. The way you capture the essence and style of anime eyes can truly make or break your artwork. Now, let's address the common challenges artists face when trying to master the art of drawing anime eyes. From getting the proportions right to nailing the unique shapes and expressions, it can be quite a daunting task. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the step-by-step process of drawing basic anime eyes. We'll focus on the fundamental elements like shapes, sizes, and different eye expressions to help you bring your characters to life. Now, here comes the exciting part, advanced techniques. I'll show you how to take your anime eyes to the next level by adding reflections, eyelashes, and emotions. These details will make your eyes more dynamic and expressive, giving your characters that extra spark of life. As we wrap up, let's recap the key tips and tricks we've covered today for drawing anime eyes effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and experimenting with different styles. Lastly, I encourage you to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Grab your sketchbook, practice drawing anime eyes, and don't forget to share your creations in the comments section below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on how to draw anime eyes like a pro in 2024. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and embracing the art of anime.